Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today is Wednesday, and the date is 24 June 2020. First of all, we start our day with the recitation of Holy Quran. That is thousand tasmiyah and prayer of knowledge. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Pray for knowledge. Rabbi zidni ilma. Oh Lord, increase me in knowledge. Now, someone want to say something? Now you can hear my voice clearly. So, are you hear my voice clearly? Nod your head and show your thumbs up. Then I know you hear me clear. Okay. So, after reciting the prayer of knowledge, we will recite article first. पहला कलमा तैयब, तैयब माने पाक, ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाहु मुहम्मदुर रसूलल्लाह. Translation: there is no God beside Allah, and Muhammad, peace be upon him, is the prophet of Allah. I will give the chance to you to recite this article and pray for knowledge as well. Just listen first and try to memorize that. Okay? Show thumbs up and wave hand, then I know you are listening me. Good. Very nice. Now we learn the pray for parents as well. Now you can repeat. Before repetition, I will share the screen. Now you can see the prayer of parents. Rabbir hamhuma kama rabbayani saghira. Again I repeat it. Rabbir hamhuma kama rabbayani saghira. Rabbir hamhuma kama rabbayani saghira. First you try to learn the Arabic part of the all prayers. Then you try to learn the part of translation as well. Okay? And if you are facing the problem to the translation, so you read many times, then you can memorize that. Understand? My Lord, have mercy upon them, my parent, as they brought me up when I was small. Again I repeat, my Lord, have mercy upon them, my parent, as they brought me up when I was small. After prayer of parents, we are going to learn numbers. I know you are awesome in numbers and you know all the numbers 1 till 20 day before yesterday, and I hope Yesterday also you learned the numbers with Miss Noori or Turfa. So again we can repeat and revise that numbers. That would be memorize you easily. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 and 1 makes 11. 10 and 2 makes 12. 10 and 3 makes 13. 10 and 4 makes 14. 10 and 5 makes 15. 10 and 6 makes 16. 10 and 7 makes 17. 10 and 8 makes 18. 10 and 9 makes 19. And after 19, the 20 number will appear. So we can learn counting in numbers 1 till 20 now. Then we can also go to the forward gradually and timely. Do you remember we revised the backward counting as well? Now I will tell you again. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again I repeat it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. These are the number which goes forward, forward and forward. And it comes backward, backward and backward as well. Okay. Now today we are again learning the lowercase letters and uppercase letter. First of all, we can read the lowercase letter. I will show the screen to you. Yes. Did you see the screen? Nod your head. Then I know. Nod your head. Yes. Very good. Good job. Very nice. Now, A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, O, P, Q, R, S, T, A, W, W, X, Y, Z, A, W, W, X, Y, Z. When we are saying any sound, we can follow the lips movement of the teacher. Okay? You try to follow the lips movement of teacher, then you can say in a perfect way to sound. Like if teacher is say this one A, so you can see where the lips of teacher is going. It's moving behind our cheeks. A. So you can say all the sound perfectly. Okay? You try it, watch it timely. The all videos and all recorded videos also posted in the software. You can repeat it, watch it again and again, and then try to say all the sound perfectly. Understand or not? I want to see the answer of all of you. Oh, it's a have the red clip today. So red is a primary color or secondary color? Red is a primary color. We can make the secondary color with the primary colors. Do you remember I tell you there are 3 primary colors? Red, yellow and blue. How many primary colors? Show your fingers. Show your fingers. 3 primary colors. 3. Red, yellow and blue. You can see at the back of myself, the red curtain is there, the blue name of St. Gregory's is here, and I have the yellow paper. So you did that activity at home? Did you enjoy the mixing? When we mix red and yellow. When we mix red and yellow. When we mix it, two of them, then magic will begin. It will change into color orange. It will change into color orange. When we mix blue and red. When we mix blue and red. When we mix it, two of them, then magic will begin. It will change into color purple. It will change into color purple. When we mix blue and yellow. When we mix blue and yellow. When we mix it, two of them, then magic will begin. It will change into color green. It will change into colors green. So colors are very attractive thing which can change our lifestyle, change our mind, change our face expressions, and change our ideas and change our mood. Colors helps a lot. Okay? But the written work of today is numbers, because we are not giving the activity any of color. Inshallah, from the next class, I will give some activity of colors to you. Okay. Now today I will, first of all, I will show the which number we can write and how we write. You can see the screen. Okay. Now see the screen. There are 5 numbers. These numbers comes after 10. We done number 1 till 10. So these numbers comes after 10. You can see here is 1 and 1. They both are friends and standing together. It's mean it is 11. 1 and 1 makes 11. You can see the next line. There are 2 numbers, 1 and 2. They are also friends and they are making another new number, that is 12. 1 and 2 makes 12. You can see another number that are 1 and 3. They also are friends and they make a new number, that is 1 and 3, 13. Go down and see another number that are 1 and 4. These are also a friend and they are making number 14. Comes last line and they are also having 2 numbers that are 1 and 5. 5 is fat wearing a hat. 5 is fat wearing a hat. 1 and 5 makes 15. So our written work of today is writing number 11 till 15. I know you all are very fine tracing. I check your worksheets. It's a good, very good. And when you are writing your work, any work, so you concentrate on your worksheet, hold the pencil properly, and don't talk to others. You concentrate on worksheet, then you can write perfectly. And gradually we can go to the write on the copies as well. Okay? So today's learning 11 till 15. 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15. So do you understand which number we are writing? Show me your thumb up. Show me. Then I realize that you are listening me carefully. Yes, very nice. Anaya, very good. Zain, very good. Hassan Abdullah, where you both goes? Ahmed Raza, what about you? Show your thumb. I want to know, baby. So, yes. So, these number goes forward to the forward counting. Okay? So, your today's work is write and trace all the numbers nicely and try to doing well. Trace well, don't erase razor timely. Then your work will be very fantastic. Okay? I know you are able to write 1 till 20, but when we are doing practicing all the time, we are going perfect. Whenever you write it in the worksheets or trace it in the worksheet, your writing will be fine. And when you come to write in the copy, your work is awesome. And I hope you guys are all doing awesome job, inshallah, very soon. So anyone ask any question about it? I will unmute. I give the chance to you. Anyone, just raise your hand. Then I know. Anyone ask any question? Then we go forward to the other topic. Did anyone ask anything? No? Show your thumbs up. Or if yes, so down your thumbs up. Up and down. Very good. Abbas. So I will unmute to you to hear your experience about the practical of primary color to turn into the secondary color. I want to know which baby done it. What is your experience? Did you enjoy or not? These things I want to hear you. So I will unmute. Who want to share this to me? Raise your hand or wave your hand. Who want to share to me? Anyone? Yes, Hassan and Abdullah, you want to share to me? Okay, I will unmute to you. Just wait. First, unmute yourself, then you can talk to me. Yes, Hassan Abdullah, did you do that activity? Say yes. Very good job. Yes. Good job. Very nice. So, did you enjoy? Yes, because you are having primary color and you can get secondary colors. So it's a magic. That's why I'm saying that poem. When we mix red and yellow. So जब हम mix करते हैं red and yellow को, so we are getting the new color that is orange. So anyone else to share the experience? Yes. Who else? Zen, you or Ahmed Raza? What about Ahmed Raza? What about Irsa? And Nadia? What about you? You are not doing that activity? It's okay. You have a time of a week. You can do it. You will do it. When you are having time, when you feel, "Yeah, I will do it." And if you are not having colors, so you can make this activity with the pencil colors too. You can do color red and yellow, then you can get orange. So make any shape like circle in a copy. In first circle, you can do red. In second circle, you can do yellow. And then you can get orange. Because you know when we mix red and yellow, we can get orange. So in the third circle, you can do the orange color. Okay? Now, I will tell you about something to the activity of something new, which I explained you today in the second session. Okay, so try to keep scissor or any paper or pencil with you in the next session. Before disconnecting, I will tell you we are doing something new today with the creative experience. And I know you all are done cutting in the reception class as well. Teacher tells me, teachers informs me that you did it. So today we are do some review activity of the cutting. So when you are disconnecting, oh wow, Anabia have the worksheet and she did it. Well done, Anabia, very nice. Good job. And try to share in the software as well, okay? When you are sending the homework, I'm so much happy. I get something from my child. I'm so much happy. And I'm trying to check on the time to your work. Hassan Abdullah, are you listening me? Nod your head. Good job. Sit proper and listen to teacher and watch to teacher. Ahmed, I think you are laying down, and Zain, you too. Babies, you have to take the class, so you have to sit proper. Sit proper. Look at the Irsa, look at the Nabia, look at the Bas, look at the Anabia. Both the Anabias are there. And look at the Hassan Abdullah. Everyone is sitting proper. So you can also sit proper. Very good job. And I am hearing you all. Don't worry about it. मैं सब कुछ सुन रही हूँ और सब कुछ देख भी रही हूँ. ऐसा नहीं कि मेरी आंखों से कोई भी बच्चा जो है ओझल हो गया. मैं तमाम बेबीज को सुन रही होती हूँ. Okay, now one by one, I will give the chance to you because the timing is going faster and faster. It's time to disconnecting. So I received the message. So before going, we have to discuss something. Okay? So I will unmute to you all. No, one by one. No, all. Okay, fine, all. Then we can hear to you all. Now unmute yourself, but don't make a noise. Be a nice baby. Okay? Very good job. Very good. Unmute yourself one by one. Yes, Zen. Did you enjoy? Did you hear the voice of teacher clearly?
Yes.
Very good. Thank you so much. Yes, next. Zainab, sorry, Batul. Did you hear my voice clearly? Good job. Yes. Anabia, you? Anabia Ahmed?
Yes, teacher.
Irsa, what about you?
11.
Now everyone. Good job, good job. Anabia, bete, Anabia, you can also unmute yourself.
टीचर अभी आपके कोई सेकंड क्लास भी है?
Yes, we have the second slot.
वो कितने बजे है अंदाजन?
Just after 10 minutes, we will again come back. You can take the break. You can have some water. If you want to eat something, you can eat it and come back. I am sitting here. I am not going somewhere. मैं यहीं पे बैठी हूँ आप लोग के वेट के लिए, ठीक है ना? Give the break to join the other teachers and we can do the activity with them. So you go, drink some water, walk, and come back to your place. Okay?
Okay,
Yes. Good job.
Yeah.
Very nice. So, anyone ask any question about any homework and regarding something? Any query? So you can discuss with me. Yes. Abbas, unmute yourself.
होमवर्क के बारे में बता दीजिए दोबारा से काइंडली.
I will post after class. Okay. That worksheet which I show in the screen, 15 numbers, they will trace, and some oral work or some activity work, it will be posted after the class. Okay, thank you, baby. I want to ask any question about the software problem which you raise in the group. That is timing issues of the showing of that work. It resolved or not? अब तो आपको वो प्रॉब्लम नहीं आ रही जो पहले आ रही थी कि आप लोग उसको पोस्ट नहीं कर पा रहे थे या उसको देख नहीं पा रहे थे.
टीचर वर्क तो अभी भी पोस्ट नहीं हुआ है हमारा, जो पुराना रह गया है वो कैसे करें?
मैंने आप लोगों को 2 वर्क्स पे डेट एक्सटेंड कर दी थी. अगर आप चाहते हैं कि जब से हमारी क्लास शुरू हुई सारे ही वर्क को कर दूंगी, क्योंकि अभी फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस से आप लोग को भी आइडिया नहीं हो पा रहा है. कोई इशू नहीं है हमें. आई विल एक्सटेंड दैट डेट टिल 10th of June. 10th of June से जो हमने काम स्टार्ट लिया था सबकी डेट को आज मैं इंशाल्लाह एक्सटेंड कर दूंगी. ठीक है ना? और आप लोग फिर इसको पोस्ट कर सकेंगे.
ओके ओके टीचर, हाँ ये सही हो जाएगा. काम को पता चल जाएगा बच्चे ने काम किया हुआ है या नहीं किया हुआ.
You are not getting the notification because it already posted. We just able to edit the date. तो हम सिर्फ उसकी डेट एडिट कर सकते हैं, एक्सटेंड कर सकते हैं. आपको नोटिफिकेशन, you can check the software and you can try to post the homework back. Try to watch the videos and the lecture which are posted already posted in the software as well. All the lecture which given in the classes posted in the software as well. Any question or query?
I'm not seeing the notification. होमवर्क हम पोस्ट कर चुके हैं, उनको रीपोस्ट करने की तो जरूरत नहीं है ना?
No. आपने कर दिया है, तो हो चुका है मेरे पास, आ भी गया और उसका रिमार्क भी कर दिया है मैंने. You can see the remark on that column where you see the homework. जो होमवर्क का कॉलम्स आते हैं, फर्स्ट का नेम लिखा होता है, फिर उसमें सब्जेक्ट का नाम होता है, वहीं पे आपको रिमार्क्स भी मिलेंगे इसी कॉलम्स में.
अच्छा.
तो वो इट मीन कि आई चेक्ड दैट वन. यस.
अच्छा टीचर, एक ओरल के लिए भी एक सजेशन थी कि उसमें जैसे बच्चे ओरल कर रहे हैं तो उसमें वीडियो का कोई लिंक नहीं आ रहा है. जैसे हम ओरल बच्चे का कैसे होमवर्क पोस्ट करेंगे?
वीडियो उधर सेंड नहीं हो पा रही है क्योंकि वीडियो हाँ सेंड नहीं होती है. ओरल का क्या करें फिर?
अच्छा, आप अभी जिस तरह कर रहे हैं ना ग्रुप में, इट्स वेल एंड गुड, क्योंकि इस पे काम हो रहा है कि बैक साइड ये भी इंशाल्लाह वेरी सून आप लोग को इसकी भी अवेलेबिलिटी मिल जाएगी. वो थोड़ा सा उसमें वर्किंग है जो इंशाल्लाह वेरी सून हो जाएगी. और अभी जिस तरह आप लोग वीडियो ग्रुप में डाल देते हैं मैं वहाँ उसके रिमार्क्स करती हूँ. लेकिन अगर होमवर्क ग्रुप में आता है तो मैं उसका कोई रिमार्क नहीं करती क्योंकि आई नीड होमवर्क इन द सॉफ्टवेयर. So you try and try. Okay? वीडियो का रिमार्क बच्चों की एफर्ट से और वो लर्न कर रहे हैं माशाल्लाह. और बहुत बोलते भी हैं. अरबिक पार्ट इसी तरह से ट्रांसलेशन पार्ट भी बहुत अच्छा करते हैं माशाल्लाह से सब. So I am very much happy with it. Any other query about it? So quickly we can review. First of all, we can start counting in numbers. Now repeat after me. 1.
1. चलो काउंट करो.
1.
1 2 3
3. Everyone speak up. 1 2 3.
9 1 2 3
4 5 6.
4
4,
Four.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
9, 10.
10. How many fingers we have in two hands? We have 10 fingers. Show me your fingers, everyone. Nadia, show your fingers. Everyone have 10 fingers in your hand. Yes. After 10, which number come? 11. Then 12. Then 13. Then 14. 15. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
16. Counting is good.
It's a speak up. I want to hear your voice. Very good job. Very nice. Well done. Now start avocado. Avocado. Avocado.
आप पढ़ रही है वो सुनो 5 5 करे जा रहे हो टीचर क्या पढ़ रही है
Avocado. Repeat after me. Very good. Very good. Try avocado.
बस ना पढ़ो
आपको मेरी आवाज नहीं आ रही? अब्बास, निशा, अहमद, अनाबिया. Did you? Okay, now. Okay, sing now. Avocado.
पढ़ो पढ़ो
I want to hear कि you are singing like a teacher or not. आप गा सकते हैं? Very good job. Ahmed, speak a bit. Very good. Ha I ja ka. Ha I ja ka. Very good. Ha I ja ka. And Abia, very good. Good job.